Father, I said till death do us part. I want to mean it with all of my heart. Help me to love you more than I love her.
Ayun lang kasi, very late na tayo nag-start. Kung natalo sa inyo, mabalit nila na anin ng panahon. Anto, thank you for ulit pagpunta dito sa handaan namin. Thank you!
Once again, let's give a hand to Miss.
Make her what you want her to be. I pray to hear her heart. I pray she'll love you.
I wish you more healthy and have a long life. Sana lagi kang malusog at sana lagi kang masaya sa iyong pamilya at sa ating mga pamilya. God bless you more. I love you. Thank you.
Help me to love you more than I love.
Happy birthday, Ate Shirley. Kumunta man to kay Kini Bilay. Muntang mo to kay Herman. Happy birthday, Nick. Also, kay Janelle. Congratulations, Nick.
And bring him in your presence today. Make him what you want him to be.
Happy birthday, sister. Ngayon, at ka ng bago. Ano mayayaman ka lang mo.
He'll love you. I pray to strengthen and serve him. He'll bring you glory today. I pray.
Happy birthday, Mama. Kumunod. Ando kayo sila yun, makabawi mo kayo. Kami ang nanay, ang gano, huwag mo lang yung paraan ko mo na-appreciate yung may effort ni para kayo ng papa. Aman, kumun, magkilala ka sila. Pero di kami anak yun, ginilabaya no, so ilumi, utan ka nga di kayo, amin, ibabagami mo para di kayo. So, aman, wala ba, happy birthday.
To hear her heart, I pray. He'll love you. I pray to cherish and serve her. Will bring you glory today. I pray to hear her heart. I pray she'll love you more. I pray to cherish and serve her. Will bring you glory today. I pray. This is my prayer.